Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's fast-paced world, where screens dominate our daily lives, taking care of our vision and brain health has become more crucial. Proper nutrition is one of the most effective ways to support our eyes and brain. This video will explore the top 3 foods that can help support vision and brain health, fight vision loss, and promote overall well-being. We will delve into incorporating these foods into your diet to maintain healthy eyesight and cognitive function. Nutrition plays a vital role in maintaining optimal vision and brain health. The foods we consume provide essential nutrients that support the intricate structures of our eyes and brain. By fueling our bodies with the proper nutrients, we can enhance our visual acuity, protect against age-related vision disorders such as macular degeneration, and boost cognitive function. Supporting vision and preventing vision loss through diet is a proactive approach to maintaining eye health. Many eye conditions such as macular degeneration and cataracts can be influenced by our dietary choices. We can protect our eyes from oxidative damage, inflammation, and degeneration by consuming foods rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. The connection between food choices and eye health is undeniable. Certain nutrients such as lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin C, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to benefit eye health by reducing the risk of vision loss and supporting overall eye function. Incorporating these nutrients into our diet can nourish our eyes from within and promote optimal visual performance. Eating foods that support vision and brain health is essential for maintaining good eyesight and cognitive function. Focusing on a diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can give our bodies the nutrients they need to thrive. In the following sections, we will explore the top 3 foods that are particularly beneficial for supporting vision and brain health, as well as strategies to improve eyesight naturally through diet and lifestyle choices. Stay tuned to discover how you can enhance your eye health and cognitive function through the power of nutrition. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Top 3 foods to support vision and brain and fight vision loss. Incorporating specific foods into your diet can make a significant difference when supporting vision and brain health while combating vision loss. Here are the top 3 foods that are beneficial for enhancing eye health, boosting cognitive function, and fighting vision loss. Spinach. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse rich in antioxidants, particularly lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants protect the eyes from harmful UV rays, reduce the risk of macular degeneration, and improve overall visual acuity. Lutein and zeaxanthin are concentrated in the eye's macula, acting as natural filters against blue light and oxidative stress. You can support your vision and promote eye health by including spinach in your diet, whether in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and phytochemicals that benefit the brain and eyes. The vibrant colors of berries indicate their high antioxidant content, which helps combat inflammation, oxidative damage, and age-related vision disorders. Berries are also rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen production in the eyes and helps maintain the integrity of blood vessels. Including various berries in your daily meals or snacks can provide a delicious way to nourish your brain and eyes. Nuts, almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants that support brain health and vision. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, are essential for maintaining the brain's and eyes' structural integrity, promoting cognitive function, and reducing inflammation. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects cells from damage and supports healthy eye tissues. Incorporating a handful of nuts into your diet as a snack, or adding them to salads and stir-fries can provide a nutrient-rich boost for your brain and eyes. Incorporating these top 3 foods into a balanced diet is essential for optimal eye and brain function. By including foods rich in antioxidants like spinach, berries, and nuts, as well as omega-3 fatty acid sources such as salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts, you can nourish your body with the nutrients it needs to support vision and cognitive health. Make these foods a regular part of your meals to reap the benefits of improved eye health, enhanced brain function, and reduced risk of vision loss. Let's explore a range of foods that are specifically beneficial for supporting vision, eye health, and aiding in vision repair. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and bell peppers. These colorful vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision. Beta-carotene is converted into retinol in the body, a form of vitamin A crucial for proper retina functioning and optimal vision. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and bell peppers also contain antioxidants that protect the eyes from oxidative damage and support overall eye health. Oranges, kiwi, and bell peppers, foods high in vitamin C such as oranges, kiwi, and bell peppers, play a vital role in supporting eye health and protecting against age-related vision disorders. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps combat free radicals, reduce inflammation, and support collagen production in the eyes. Collagen is essential for maintaining the structure of the cornea and other eye tissues. Incorporating vitamin C-rich foods into your diet can boost your eye health and enhance visual function. Leafy greens, including kale, collard greens, and spinach, are packed with beneficial nutrients for maintaining healthy vision. These greens are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect the eyes from blue light, reduce the risk of macular degeneration, and support visual acuity. Lutein and zeaxanthin are concentrated in the eye's macula as natural filters against harmful light rays. Consuming leafy greens regularly can provide your eyes with essential nutrients for optimal vision and eye health. Incorporating foods that support vision, eyes, and vision repair into your diet is crucial in maintaining healthy eyesight and promoting overall eye health. Make these foods a regular part of your meals to support your vision, protect your eyes, and aid in vision repair for long-term eye health. Macular degeneration is a common eye condition that affects the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp central vision. This condition can lead to blurred or distorted vision, difficulty reading or recognizing faces, and even vision loss in severe cases. Early detection and proactive measures are crucial in managing macular degeneration and preserving vision. In this section, we will address the impact of macular degeneration on vision and provide tips on improving eyesight naturally. Macular degeneration can significantly impact vision, particularly central vision, which is used for activities like reading, driving, and recognizing faces. The condition can progress slowly over time, leading to a gradual decline in visual acuity. Early detection through regular eye exams is essential for monitoring changes in the macula and implementing appropriate interventions to slow down the progression of macular degeneration. If you experience any changes in your vision, such as distortion or blurriness, it is essential to consult an eye care professional for evaluation and treatment. To improve eyesight naturally and support overall eye health, there are several lifestyle changes and habits that can be beneficial. Quitting smoking. Smoking has been linked to an increased risk of developing macular degeneration and other eye conditions. By quitting smoking, you can reduce your risk of vision loss and protect your eyes from harmful toxins and oxidative stress. Wearing UV protective sunglasses. Exposure to ultraviolet, UV radiation, can contribute to developing eye conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Wearing sunglasses that block UV rays can help protect your eyes from sun damage and reduce the risk of vision problems. Eye exercises. Regular eye exercises can help strengthen eye muscles, improve focus, and reduce eye strain. Simple exercises like eye rotations, focusing on near and far objects, and blinking exercises can promote better eye health and enhance visual acuity. Scheduling routine eye exams with an optometrist or ophthalmologist is essential for monitoring your eye health. Detecting any vision changes. Addressing any underlying issues promptly. Early intervention can help preserve vision and prevent further deterioration. Nutrient-rich diet. A diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals is crucial for supporting eye health and reducing the risk of macular degeneration. Foods like leafy greens, colorful fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, and fish, high in omega-3 fatty acids can provide essential nutrients for maintaining healthy eyesight. Remember that maintaining healthy eyesight is a lifelong commitment that requires regular care, attention, and healthy lifestyle choices. Prioritize your eye health by following these recommendations and seeking professional guidance for any concerns about your vision. Nutrition is a cornerstone of maintaining optimal vision and brain health. It is essential to empower yourself with knowledge and awareness regarding eye health. By understanding the impact of lifestyle choices, such as quitting smoking, wearing UV protective sunglasses, and engaging in regular eye exercises, you can protect your eyes from potential harm and reduce the risk of vision problems like macular degeneration. Additionally, scheduling routine eye checkups and adopting a nutrient-rich diet can further support your eye health and overall well-being. As you reflect on the information shared in this video, we encourage you to take action to prioritize your eye health. Make conscious choices to incorporate the top foods beneficial for eye health into your meals, engage in healthy lifestyle practices, and seek professional guidance for any concerns about your vision. Your eyes are precious assets that deserve care and attention, so remember to prioritize your eye health for a brighter, more transparent future. Start making positive changes today to support your vision and enhance your quality of life.